Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to make chocolate covered strawberry bouquet for Valentine's Day or any other special occasion. It's very fun and simple to make this edible bouquet and they are absolutely delicious. Hope you enjoy. Now let's get started. These are the things you will need to make this recipe. To make this recipe, I've got 2 boxes of jumbo strawberries. Wash it thoroughly and pat it dry. We need some wooden skewers. Take a skewer, poke strawberry halfway through. Here I have white chocolate and I've added red food coloring to the white chocolate. I have melted the white chocolate. Check out the consistency. Take a strawberry, dip into the white chocolate and take out the excess. Here I've got some sprinkles and desiccated coconut. Adding some red heart sprinkles. You can use any sprinkles which is available at home. Now some pink heart sprinkles. Now some red and black beet sprinkles. To the white chocolate, I've added red food color. Sprinkling some desiccated coconut. Some red heart sprinkles. This is a mix of gold beads, sprinkles and desiccated coconut. To the white chocolate, I've added few drops of pink food color. Again some red heart sprinkles. Some desiccated coconut. Mix of red, pink and white heart sprinkles. Take a gift wrap, arrange the chocolate covered strawberries, put a tape and secure the wrap. Take a ribbon and tie it up as a bow. There you go, our chocolate strawberry bouquet. It's an easy Valentine's Day gift idea. I hope you all find this video useful. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video. and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.